Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back. We are here today for our subject EVS. And as we are going to start with our new chapter, what are we going to do before starting the new chapter, children? Correct. We are going to learn by heart and write new words which I am going to teach today. Okay? Are you all ready? You can keep your book, pencil, eraser along. You can repeat after the teacher. You can also write this new words 3 times now. Okay? So be ready with your book and pencil. First word here is, and you have to repeat after teacher, don't forget. First word here is around. 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 Repeat after me. AROUND. 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 You are going to say 3 times and you are going to write 3 times. Okay? Next. Small. 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 Next word is trees. 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 Next word is flowers. 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 Next word is plants. See, in this teacher is going little fast because you are already thorough with these words. You know these words, right? They are very easy also. Okay? So, you have to be fast in writing and reading now. Okay, children? PLANTS. Plants. See, you know the spelling of ants? ANTS. ANTS you already know. So what you have to add before ANTS is PL. Okay. So PLANTS. 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 Next word here is medicines. 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 Hibiscus. 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 You know what is hibiscus, right? Hibiscus is a name of a flower. The hibiscus is red in color. You know, we offer Ganpati Bappa red color flower, that is hibiscus. In all these words in detail, you will understand once we start the lesson. Okay, children? Yes. Pumpkin. You know pumpkin, na? Big orange color ball shaped pumpkin. 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 See, PUMP pump. KIN kin. Pumpkin. PUMP pump. KIN kin. Pumpkin. 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 Next word is shade. You know what is shade, right? Shade. 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 Next word is useful. 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 Next word is sunlight. 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 GHT, sunlight. Grow, GROW, grow. GROW, grow. Grow means the plants grow slowly. We also grow, our height also grows slowly, right? Grow. GROW, grow. I've planted a plant near my house, in my house. When I planted it, was such a small. Then I used to water it daily. It started to grow. So you know what is grow, right? Animals. ANIMALS, animals. ANIMALS, animals. ANIMALS, animals. Furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. Paper. PAPER, paper. PAPER, paper. PAPER, paper. You know what is paper, right? This is a paper. Wood. WOOD, wood. You know what is wood? The furniture, what we have in our house, it made of wood. WOOD, wood. WOOD, wood. WOOD, wood. Next word is water. WATER, water. WATER, water. WATER, water. Forest. FOREST, forest. FOREST, forest. FOREST, forest. Grass. GRASS, grass. GRASS, grass. GRASS, grass. GRASS, grass. Clean. CLEAN, clean. CLEAN, clean. CLEAN, clean. Soil. SOIL, soil. SOIL, soil. SOIL, soil. Garden. GARDEN, garden. GARDEN, garden. GARDEN, garden. Shelter. SHELTER, shelter. SHELTER, shelter. SHELTER, shelter. SHELTER, shelter. Now, BANYAN, banyan. TREE, tree. Already we have learned the spelling of tree, TREE. So now you have to learn here the spelling of banyan. Banyan tree is a name of a tree. It is a very big tree. I'll show you later, okay? Banyan tree. BANYANTREE, banyan tree. BANYANTREE, banyan tree. BANYANTREE, banyan tree. Next, our last word is neem tree. NEEM, neem. TREE, tree. NEEM, neem. TREE, tree. NEEM, TREE, neem tree. So now children, we have finished our new words. What are you going to do is, you are going to write 3 times, study well by heart. In the next session, I am going to take the dictation. Okay? Okay. Now, teacher is going to ask you few questions. Let's see whether you know the answer or not. My first question here is, Do you have plants at home? Yes. We have tulsi plant, somebody's having rose plant, somebody's having bamboo plant. So many different type of plants we keep in our home. Right? So at least one plant is there in your home, I can expect that. Yes? Okay. You have plants at your home. Good. My second question is, name some plants we keep at home. Just now I told you. We keep tulsi plant. We can keep rose plant. Then we can keep which more plant you know? A plant of a flower, mogra. Then I also have one plant with there is a pink flowers on it. There is a bamboo plant what we can keep. There is a aloe vera plant what we can keep. There are so many different type of plants we can keep at our home. Okay. My third and last question is, where can you see many plants together? Come on, tell me, where can you see many different plants, colorful flowers together? Where can you see? Come on, tell me, where can you see? You don't know? Yes, we see in the garden. In a garden, you can see many type of plants, okay? So, we are going to see our new chapter today, chapter number 16, Plants Around Us. Chapter number 16 is Plants Around Us. Now, what do you think this is? What is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, just now I told you. This is a garden. This is a garden. So, children, you can see here, there are different type of tree. Big, small, different type of trees. There are small here, different type of flowers you can see. There are small plants there. Yes, this is a garden. Okay, now there are many kind of plants in the garden. Yes, there are many kind of plants in the garden. I can see here with pink color flowers, yellow color flowers, red color flowers. My God, such a beautiful plants, right? With flowers. Some plants have flowers and some plants don't have flowers. If you look around you outside your house, you will find many plants growing everywhere. Even on the road. Even when you go on the road, in the middle of the road, they have planted few plants if you can see. Okay. When you go out, you have to look around. You will see trees and plants everywhere. Plants are of different types. Some are big, some are small. Right? Tall and big plants are called trees, which are very tall and big. That they are called trees. And which are small, they are called plants. Okay, children. I hope you understood till here. Okay, then you are going to do this activity today. My first activity is that you are going to write 3 times the new words what I taught you today. And second thing, you have to draw a plant and a tree. Okay, you have to draw a plant and a tree in your book. Plants are small, they can have flowers, you can draw flowers on the plants and everything. And tree are big. Okay, just try drawing plant and tree. Let me see whether you know what is plant and what is tree. Okay, so I am going to end my session here. Yes, children. In the next session, I am going to continue and give you and tell you something more about this lesson. Okay, we are going to understand different type of plants seen in surroundings and also the ways in which plants are useful to us. We are going to see in this lesson. Okay, how they are useful to us and about various type of plants we are going to see in lesson number 16, Plant Around Us, in our next session. Thank you, children. Take care.